I'm Dr. Ulf Erlingsson of Lindorm Incorporated in Miami, Florida. What we do is principally the sedimeter instrument and turbidimeter instruments for measuring and studying sediment transport in the sea, beaches, and also in rivers and lakes. However, we are also now manufacturing this so-called Nilsson Sampler, also known as the Uppsala Sampler or the Swedish Sampler. This is used when you need to take a depth-integrated, unbiased sample of suspended sediment concentration in rivers and streams. It weighs 10 kilos, so you can perfectly well carry it around, and you can use it in water velocities up to 2 meters per second and depths up to 7 meters. As you see here, you open it by twisting the nose, and you have the sampler bottle in here. 1 liter, you can take approximately 0.8 liters, maximum 0.9. And the tubes are designed so that you will get the same water velocity inside the tube as outside to get an unbiased sample. There are 2 different nozzles that come with it. These are the standard nozzles for higher velocity. There are some others with smaller intake and outlet for very low velocity, down to 20 centimeters per second. So this is available for order, and we can also make the accompanying filtering equipment, because once you get this, the idea is you buy a number of these bottles, and once you take the sample, you unscrew it here and put on a cap, a normal cap. And then you can bring this home, but of course this will weigh a bit. So if you're out in the field far from roads, you don't want to carry all of this water around. What you can do then is use a filtering device, and you need distilled water for that, of course, but not as much as this, and condense, so to say, the water sample down to filter paper and only carry home the filter paper. So this is offered as the Nilsson Sampler. There is also one version which, instead of using a wire suspended sampler, has a rod, so you can, a wading sampler. You're welcome to see it on our website, lindorm.com.